show that 1 minus sine 60 degrees divided by cos 60 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. 1 minus sine 60 degrees divided by cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 60 degrees minus sine 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 60 degrees is equal to secant 60 degrees minus sine 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees is equal to tan 60 degrees is equal to secant 60 degrees is equal to 2 minus tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, that is 1 minus sine 60 degrees divided by cos 60 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. If x is equal to gamma cos alpha sin beta, y is equal to gamma cos alpha cos beta, and z is equal to gamma sin alpha, show that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to gamma square. LHS is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, here x is equal to gamma cos alpha sin beta, gamma cos alpha sin beta whole square plus y is equal to gamma cos alpha cos beta, that is gamma cos alpha cos beta whole square plus z is equal to gamma sin alpha whole square is equal to gamma square cos square alpha into sin square beta plus gamma square into cos square alpha into cos square beta plus gamma square into sin square alpha is equal to, take common gamma square cos square alpha into sin square beta plus cos square beta plus gamma square sin square alpha is equal to sin square beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1. 1 into gamma square into cos square alpha is equal to gamma square cos square alpha plus gamma square sin square alpha. Take common gamma square, that is gamma square into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1 into gamma square is equal to gamma square is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.